Yo, welcome back people. So today's video, back with the E46 again. Last video I changed the mirror. You can see shit is red and the car is silver. So I decided to get some carbon fiber mirror caps and I'm gonna go work with that one. So stay tuned as I put those caps on and get this thing popping. You understand? Bye bye. So yo, welcome back everyone. Those that are new, like, share, subscribe if you love off the video. So right now I'm going to be changing the mirror caps on the E46. The last video I had to change the driver's side mirror because of what the previous owner did. So I'm going to take off this red cap off of this because obviously it's an eyesore with a silver car. And instead of buying a cap that was silver, I could have changed the previous cap that I had, but it still would have been a problem because this one, as you can see, has no cap. So cosmetic wise, that don't look good. So I went on to Amazon and searched for some mirror caps. I found some carbon fiber ones, not real, but it's gonna get the job done. As of right now, I want the car to look cosmetically good than just looking like pizza or whatnot. So here we go, continue. Carbon fiber style. Not really carbon fiber, but yeah, it's gonna work. So carbon fiber cap, passenger side, just placing over this looks better already. So let me put the camera down and get this on. So this no lean, hold that. Don't go nowhere, camera, don't go nowhere. Should be easy enough to this. That's it, done. Fold up, this is good. Yeah, that should be good enough. That was easy enough. Yeah, but I gotta do something about this. Probably try to paint it or see if I can use some of that, something to bring back the glow. Most likely probably end up painting it because I don't know if anything can just rub on and make it work. So let me run over to the driver's side, take off that, and hopefully taking off the cap should be much easier. So yeah, let me put this down and get to work on that. I would say use like a little plastic pry tool, but I don't even care about the cap, to tell you the truth. That pop off very easily. Now we're going on the carbon fiber one. The other one gotta be so easy, and this one is gonna be difficult now. Something now. Thing about you doing work like this, always one side that's easy and goes on, and then the next one wants to fight you. Okay, I think I got it. That's on. That's good to go. Good. That was a quick easy DIY. Won't you agree? this definitely has to get sorted out, painted or something. But other than that, mirror's looking alright. Look at E46 is coming along pretty good. Set of mirrors. Oh, nice.